Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17 on MxLinux 23.6. First open the default browser that comes with MxLinux, that is Firefox. Open it. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Then see here at the time of installation the latest release is 17.5. Click on download. Then select Linux. See, we don't have the MxLinux. Open terminal. more/etc os-release. See, its ID is like Debian and its version is 12. Okay, select Debian. Then see here the PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on versions of all these. Okay, so we can install by running these commands. So copy these commands one by one and execute. Q to quit, Control A, paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now import the signing key. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Then run this one, entire line, paste it, hit enter. Now create the configuration file. Copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Then copy this entire line. See, in this line we have to copy this dot as well. See, I have given the dot. Okay, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. It is done. Control A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -17. If you want to install 17, you have to give 17. If you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give 15. And if you want latest version, just give PostgreSQL without version number. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 17. It is the latest version. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, you have successfully installed, and also see here the default values: max connections 100, shared buffers 120, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, time zone. This is the default time zone. Okay, Control A. Now check the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is running and it is enabled. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. See, this is the version of the PSQL client, not the PostgreSQL server version. Okay, to verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Quit. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. You can also get the list of the users by running the command select use name from my PostgreSQL from pg_user. See, we got the same user detail. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully set the password for Postgres user. Now verify the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Q to quit. Now create database. We can also get the same database list by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. See, we have created database. Verify again. See, we have created database. Let us switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command \c or \connect. Then we have to provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now create a table in this database. Before that, verify the list of the tables. So you don't have any tables. Create See, we have created table customer in public schema. This is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify \du. See, we have created user. Now exit from the PostgreSQL server, which is connected by using Postgres. To exit, we have to use the \q. PSQL hyphen h means host name. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine, or you can give the host name of this machine. Hyphen u, username is David hyphen d, that means database name Postgres. Okay, hit enter, then provide the password of this user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, you have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have successfully logged in with the user David. Now to new database that you have created, /key C, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user post David. Now try to run the query against the table that we have created. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL Server 17 on MxLinux 23.6. Okay, we can't stop or start with this Postgres user, so exit, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL, hit enter. Now verify the status, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped 6 seconds ago. Okay, also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server, sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, you are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped, so start it again. Exit, sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgadmin or dbeaver on Debian operating systems. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.